The past continuous tense is an important aspect of English grammar that allows us to express actions or events that were ongoing in the past. In this essay, we will explore how rideshare drivers use the past continuous tense in their daily interactions with passengers. One common situation where rideshare drivers use the past continuous tense is when describing a specific event that was happening in the past while another action interrupted it. For example, a driver might say, "I was driving down the street when suddenly a car cut me off." In this sentence, the driver is describing the ongoing action of driving when another car interrupted it. Another way rideshare drivers use the past continuous tense is to explain what they were doing at a particular point in the past. For instance, a driver might say, "I was listening to some music while I was waiting for my next passenger." In this example, the driver is describing two simultaneous actions that were happening in the past. Rideshare drivers also use the past continuous tense to narrate a series of events that took place in the past. For instance, a driver might say, "I was driving around town, picking up passengers and dropping them off at their destinations." In this sentence, the driver is explaining a sequence of actions that were happening in the past. Overall, the past continuous tense is a valuable tool for rideshare drivers to communicate their experiences and interactions with passengers. By using this tense effectively, drivers can accurately convey the ongoing nature of past events and create a more vivid picture for their listeners. In conclusion, the past continuous tense plays a crucial role in the daily interactions of rideshare drivers. By using this tense to describe ongoing actions, interruptions, simultaneous events, and sequences of events, drivers can effectively communicate their experiences and engage with passengers. For beginner ESL students, mastering the past continuous tense will enhance their ability to narrate past events and communicate effectively in English.